Hey, what's up, friends and wine lovers? This is the last in our unboxing series. We're going to be drinking a Côtes du Rhône today from the Rhone Valley in France. And the Rhone is a very famous winemaking region in the southeastern corner of France, close to the Mediterranean. And the Côtes du Rhône, Côte is the French word for slopes or hillsides. So this is the hillsides of the Rhone River Valley. The two primary grapes in this wine are Syrah, which you know very well, and Grenache, or Garnacha as they call it in Spain. And there are two others in this particular wine that you may not be as familiar with. One is called Mourvèdre, and the other one is called Counoise.
So were those two grapes I'd never heard of kind of exclusive to the area or exclusive to this wine?
They're used all around the southern part of France. And these are the grapes that are also permitted in Châteauneuf-du-Pape. And we've done quite a few videos about Châteauneuf-du-Pape. Wow. Right away, something I want to call out, and we've talked about this before, it's a confusing term, Garrigue. It's a smell that you get from a scrub brush that grows in the Rhone Valley. Lavender, sage, thyme, like this scrub that grows on the ground.
It's hard to pin down, but
right, but you get it a lot
when you smell it.
You get it a lot in these Rhone Valley wines. The time has come.
The time has come.
Ooh, it's just like, it's very full bodied, really nice silky mouthfeel, and just a different nature of fruit here. Blueberry. It's like blueberry juice. It is
totally blueberry.
With there's like a tartness on there too, like a hint of cranberry juice.
Yeah.
Maybe a little snozberry. That herbaceousness, that Garrigue thing that we were talking about, comes back in the end.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so now what would you pair with this? And I'm going to tell you right off the bat, I've got a crazy one for you, but you go.
You want me to go first?
Yeah, you go.
People are polarized about game meats, but I really love like lamb, I love venison. I even love liver, like chicken livers, something very savory. What were you thinking?
Okay, totally other end. Ready?
Yes.
Ice cream.
All right, yeah. I could see vanilla kind of bringing out sort of like the cherry flavor to it, and chocolate would make it more like a cordial.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, let me throw another one at you. What about, I'm getting like boardwalk vibes, like maybe kettle corny?
Kettle corn would probably be really good with something like this. That like caramelized kind of flavor would probably be excellent with something like this. I got one for you.
Okay, hit me.
Have you ever used or heard of culinary lavender before?
I for sure never used it.
It's really good on meat, especially chicken and like roast poultry. So like a little citrus with like a little bit of that culinary lavender on there, and it would probably tie in very nicely with those herbs in the wine.
Yeah, this one's really interesting.
This is the sign of a good wine. Not a good wine, a great wine. When it inspires all this conversation and this thought, this back and forth, that's what really good wine does.
It's the catalyst. It brings everything together, brings everybody together.
Yeah, and that's what matters most.
I'm with you, brother. Cheers.
Cheers. Well, this has been a lot of fun. Another amazing wine, part of our unboxing series. We've done a full case of these now, 11 others. So if you didn't see those videos, or if you're curious to see what else you can get at WTSO, go back and check out those videos as well. To buy amazing wines like these, just go to WTSO.com. Thanks so much for drinking with me. It's always a pleasure, and I can't wait to see you for the next bottle and the next glass of wine. Cheers.